Hello everybody, just a quick update on the maps thing. So maps, a little tutorial. So when you open the map, it might look something like this. What you'll have on you can of course zoom in and blah blah. You'll have a panel on the left, which you can select and deselect various bits. And what I've added is the next part. The demo route was just when I was fiddling some years back to say, look, if I did the whole Africa route, what would that look like? So I've kind of left it there. So you can just say, okay, what's complete is that magenta bit, and then what's coming up next is the green bit. And if you want to, you can switch on the wire points just to see, well, how have I made, really just to make sure the automatic routing works when it's calculated in Basecamp. But that's it. Bye.